Team NEXE presents the Engineering On-Call Assistant Chat and A.S.A tool. But what A.S.A means? A.S.A means App Support Ambassador. This is a position that each member of the team holds for 2 weeks. During this time, he or she is in charge of monitor and solve the alerts from Ops Genie and other issues that occur on the prod environment. The idea for this project is intended to help in those situations when Ops Genie lights up like a Christmas tree. In some cases, this issue has been seen, fixed, and even documented by a previous A.S.A. But today is Saturday at 4 p.m. While current A.S.A. is watching The Lord of the Rings, and the Rohirrim just arrived at Minas Tirith to break the siege of Gondor. Then the Ops Genie alert lights up. In this hypothetical case, this alert is a known temporal issue, and there is documentation written by previous A.S.A. that explains how to solve this issue in about 5 minutes. The current A.S.A., after reviewing the alert, have not knowledge of the already existing documentation. So, current A.S.A. does not know what to do. For situations like this, the NEXE Team Hackathon project goal is to create an AI chatbot that A.S.A. can ask questions about the alerts. And the chatbot will be able to provide relevant information about how to solve the issue. The original plan was to create a RAG application that will make use of an existing LLM by adding specialized A.S.A. knowledge to the already existing AI. The intended process was to gather from various sources the A.S.A. relevant data, then process it with text splitters, creating embeddings that would be stored on a vector database. Then that data would be used by the RAG to add extra and specialized knowledge to the prompts sent to the AI chat GPT Grok or Google Gemini. So the chatbot would provide a solution that would be crafted by combining the LLM resource and A.S.A. specialized data. At this moment, an issue surfaced. We found that the alerts might expose some sensitive data that we would not want to be sent to any of the previously mentioned AIs. Here is where Nate informs us that CHG is already using an AI named Glean. He also mentioned that Glean already has access to the emails, Teams conversations, and other CHG data. At this point, the project changed. Since the AI Glean already has the RAG and the vector database, we do not need to create those elements. Now, the team efforts would be centered on using the UI tools provided by Glean to create a chatbot, then making the chatbot more effective by expanding its knowledge base to include the A.S.A. knowledge base documentation, Ops Genie alerts, and other relevant data. This new direction might not be as sexy as creating a RAG with vectorized data, but it has the potential to be very, very useful. This new chatbot app name would be Engineering On-Call Assistant. The team got busy, and Hacky, we were able to leverage the Glean UI to create the Engineering On-Call Assistant chatbot, increase its knowledge by granting access to the Confluence current A.S.A. knowledge base documentation, create a service that pulls data from Ops Genie alerts, then make it available to the chatbot. We wanted to add more sources to the knowledge base, but we ran out of time. So, ladies and gentlemen, the NEXE team presents the Glean, Engineering On-Call Assistant Chat. Now, when the A.S.A. gets an alert, she can open the Glean Engineering On-Call Assistant chatbot, type some questions about the issue at hand, and get relevant information and documentation that will help to resolve the issue. Problem solved. Close that alert. Now, get back to the Rohirrim and the Battle of Minas Tirith.